Hello learners, now we'll try to find out the nature of roots of this quadratic equation. Okay, so how do we do that? The first step is that we need to compare this given equation with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Before that, I'll just write this one as it is. 2x square minus 8x plus 3 is equal to 0. Fine. So now compare with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We get a as 2 and b as 8. No, it's minus 8, because you need to consider the minus sign also, because this can be written as 2x square plus of minus 8x. So basically b is gonna be minus 8 and then c is gonna be 3. Okay, now we need to find out something known as discriminant, which is nothing but b square minus 4ac. Based on this, we can decide the nature of the roots based on this one's value. So b is minus 8 and I'm going to get minus 8 square minus 4 times 2 times 3. Okay, now this is going to be minus 8 square is 64 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, and this is nothing but going to be 40. See, 40 is not a perfect square. Note it down. 40 is not a perfect square. So roots are gonna be real, okay? And delta is greater than 0. 40 is greater than 0, right? Obviously. Delta is greater than 0. Therefore, roots are real and distinct. Okay, real and distinct. We'll come across other cases also in the upcoming bits. Okay, so now why this would happen is I'll just give you a quick summary of why this is happening like this. See, x, you're familiar with the formula method. X is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, now see, this delta is nothing but present within this square root. Now say if this would have been a perfect square, okay, 40 would have been a perfect square, something like if I got let's say 49, so 49 is 7 square. 7 square under root of 7 square is nothing but 7. So basically my roots at that time are going to be rational, but here 40 is not a perfect square, so I'd get minus b plus or minus root 40 by something. So root 40 you cannot make it rational, it's already irrational. So that's why the roots are going to be real. Irrational roots means you can put it as real, and since delta is greater than 0, the roots are going to be distinct. So this is a little concept about why, how, and why things are working out. Let's get into the next question. In this one we have like 9x square minus 30x plus 25 is equal to 0. Here a is equal to 9, b is equal to minus 30, and c is equal to 25. Okay, now let's find out delta. Delta is nothing but b square minus 4ac. It's nothing but minus 30 whole square minus 4 into 9 into 25. Okay, so this is nothing but minus 30 whole square is 900. 900 minus 4 9s are 36. 36 into 25 is 900. You guys can check it out. So 900 minus 900 is nothing but 0. Since discriminant is 0, the roots are going to be rational and equal. Okay. Since delta is equal to 0, roots will be rational and equal also. Now why this would happen? Okay, let's go back to our formula. See, This we got it as 0. Under root of 0 is going to be 0. So x is equal to just minus b by 2a minus b plus or minus 0. So if you add 0 or subtract 0, anything is going to be the same. So basically x is equal to minus b by 2a. It's going to come 2 times. The same root is going to repeat. And this will definitely be a rational number, because here a, b, c are rational numbers. So basically my ultimate, this x is going to be minus b by 2. It's going to be a rational number, and it's going to be, the root is going to repeat. So basically the roots will be rational and equal. Now let's jump into the third bit. You need to be careful, guys. If let's say there would have been an irrational number in between them, or an imaginary number, the case would have been totally different. Okay, but now that's not the scenario. So yeah, now let me put down the question again. Here we have x square minus 12x plus 32 is a, okay, I put it wrong. So plus 32, right, is equal to 0. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 12, and c is equal to 32. Okay, fine. So that's how things are. So basically we have delta as b square minus 4ac. So b square is nothing but minus 12 whole square minus 4 times a is 1 and c is 32. So there's nothing but going to be 12 minus 12 whole square is 144 minus 4 into 32 is 4 into 32 is going to be nothing but 128. So this would be nothing but 16. And 16 is a perfect square. Okay, 16 is nothing but 4 square. Okay, now you can write the reason. Since delta is a perfect square, since delta is a perfect square, roots will be rational and distinct also, because it's not 0. Okay, roots will be rational and distinct. Okay, now why did it happen? Again, I'll give you a quick go through. See, basically we got this as 4 square. So you would get under root of 4 square is 4. You would get minus b plus or minus 4 by 2 into a. See, observe here, all the numbers a, b, c are rational. So basically my minus b plus or minus 4 by 2 is also going to be rational, and we'll get 2 distinct roots in this case. Okay, now let's get into the last question. We will get let me just put down the question again. I have 2x square minus 7x plus 10 is equal to 0. It's always good to write down the question again, guys, so that you can avoid a lot of mistakes. Sometimes while taking it down might make a mistake. Here a is 2, b is minus 7, and c is 10. Again, our delta is going to be b square minus 4ac. So there's nothing but minus 7 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 10. So there's nothing but minus 7 whole square is 49. Minus 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are, sorry, 4 2s are 8, 8 into 10s are 80. Whoa, now 49 minus 80. It's going to be minus 31. Now here, since delta is, negative, since delta is negative, since delta is less than 0, roots will be complex conjugate numbers. Okay, roots are going to be complex conjugate numbers. Okay, complex conjugate numbers. Sorry, a mistake from my side. Roots are going to be actually how should I put it? It would be conjugate complex numbers. Conjugate complex numbers make sense, not conjugate complex numbers. Roots will be conjugate complex numbers. Now, why this will happen? No, let's have a quick go through. See, under root of minus 31 I have. So I can write that as, okay, let me just show you guys here. So I would have gotten under root minus 31 is nothing but, under root of minus 1 into root 31. So this is nothing but I root 31, okay? I root 31. So I'd get something like minus b plus or minus I root. I means it's a complex number. And complex numbers always come in pairs. So basically we get our solution as roots will be complex conjugate numbers. That's it. Thank you. In case you like this solution, please give a thumbs up. And please subscribe to my channel in case if you are coming here for the first time. Thank you.